I'm aching everywhere. I'm absolutely knackered. And I am filthy. Good day! In this video, me and Tammy are heading to Waterfall Country on a little exploration. The weather is not so great, but we're hopeful it's going to stop raining before we get there. Let's see. She's so cute. Oh, she's got her wellies. Tammy's wearing her wellies. I did not bring wellies. Here she is. There's Milo.
We're going on a car journey.
Hey. Oh, he's a good boy.
Good boy.
He's a good boy. Hello. Hello. You're wearing wellies.
Yes.
That's a really good idea. I did not.
Raining.
I did not bring wellies.
Do you want a pink pair?
No, I'm okay. I'm gonna
little ones with like a little bow on the side.
No, I'm gonna
Embrace it.
risk it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a good boy. Are you ready for adventure? Are you ready?
Come on.
Oh, he's handsome.
Good boy.
Oh, he's handsome.
Go on, walkies. You've been talking to me since I said it.
Oh, he's a good boy.
Right. Oh.
So, despite my sunglasses, it's actually quite a miserable day today and it's been raining a lot, so it's the perfect excuse to go see some waterfalls. We've got Pooch 1, Pooch 2, and then we've got Human 1 and Human 2. So we're going up Thing 1 and Thing 2. So we're going up to the Four Falls walk in Brecon. So let's go. We have just arrived. We paid £5 to park on this land. The dogs are ready to rock and roll. You can see Diego in the background and Milo's already gone. Yeah, £5. Let's see if it's worth it. So we are following this way. Diego, oops, has got my paper on his bum. Come here. I'm thinking I should have taken Diego for a pre-walk because right now he is so excited, dragging me, pulling me, getting tangled, just being a menace. And you may be wondering why I won't let him off right now, and this is because there are sheep around and Diego has been known to chase them and scare them, and as a vegetarian I feel it's my duty to protect them. But anyway, this is the start. Are you calmed down now? No. Super excited. Wants to be the leader. This is going to be the Diego and Milo show. I can just see it now. The Poochies are free. Where is my dog? There he is. Diego! Terrible recall. Diego! What's this? Nope. Stunning scenery. Tasty boy. It's actually quite busy down here, like there's quite a few people, but look how beautiful and green Wales is in the summer. There is just nothing I love more in life than spending time with that lady and these puppies. Good boys. We're just passing the first waterfall, but we're thinking that we're going to do this one on the way back because it looks a little bit busy and there's another 3 to go. We just went in the wrong direction, thinking...
Can you say who was in charge of directions last time and was right?
Yeah.
And then you were in charge and it was wrong. Just say it.
We go on adventures. I like to go off the grid, what can I say? So we're just backtracking a little bit. So the whole reason we parked where we parked was so that we didn't have to, like we just did the circuit of the 4 waterfalls. So we're going back now on the hunt for waterfalls, the rest of the waterfalls. I will also name them for you when we get there, so you know what to expect. We're just in a little convoy up these stairs. The dogs are way ahead. Still really green here. Tammy looks cool in her hat, and in general the world is good. Just to compare, Tammy definitely wore the right shoes. Yet again, Emma is still learning, and every day is a school day. Super busy. Where's Diego dog? Oh, there he is. We are in the midst of a global pandemic, so our guess is that's why people are currently out enjoying this part of the world. It's quite popular, quite well known in Wales, but for visitors it's really special, I think. Obviously it has to be different. This way! This way! Good boy! Tammy is not worried about where she steps at all. These trainers have, oh, no grip.
I think we could go in.
Huh?
I think we could go in.
Oh my god, who would have them? Good boy. Treacherous, slippery. Oh my god. Diego's off. Steep. Busy. Where are you going? Whoa! Need my snowboard down here. Whoa. Crazy amount of people. So I have lost 1 human and 2 dogs, or maybe they've lost me. Like Disneyland. So I've located Doggo, and human and another dog are down there. So there are a crazy amount of people here. Crazy. Would not recommend on the weekend. Wanna go? Hi! Diego!
That's nasty.
Soak in. So loud. Quite busy. It was probably a bit too loud to explain, but you can actually go behind the waterfall. The dogs did not want to do that. We got fed up of the people, so I literally walked in my trainers across the river. But it's worth it because now we're on the path and it's just us. Also, I had a procedure today and the guidance was don't do any strenuous exercise, don't climb mountains, don't go up any hills. Oops. Our plan to stay away from humans has backfired because we've come across this information thing, and basically we have to go back the way we came unless we want to go way, way, way out, but we don't want to do that. The dogs are enjoying though, but that's going to be a mission getting them back over that water. Diego did not like that at all. Here we go. Up on that hill is where we really need to be, where we came from, but we're going through this jungle now. Have you ever seen so much green in your life? Funny fact, actually, fun fact for you, green is the colour in which humans can see the most shades of. We can see more colours of green, it is, than anything else.
Concentrating.
We're back to the spot. It is pretty cool though. Come on, there's a good boy. Diego, it must be said, hates the water. There's a good boy. There's a good boy, he is. This is a recipe for disaster. There's a good boy. Whoop. We're doing it. People are swimming. We are doing it. Diego's almost there. Yay! Look at my hair, man. We made it back over to the other side and it's a lot quieter now actually.
Yeah, so nice. This
really,
is nice.
Yeah, really pleasant. But we think maybe a weekday is probably better, as always. Also, early morning is probably going to be really nice down here where not many people are here. Like early morning. This is cute. Thank you for the path. Although it still feels really slippy to me, but my feet are. Look at these legs, they are filth. Some more treacherous stairs. The dogs are flying, gone. Me and Tammy are thinking about having to come back up these steps. Should have brought snacks.
The opposite way.
But I remember this one. I swear it's flat. This. Whoa, here we go. Diego, this way. Wait. So we've made it to another one, which is over that way, but it's really pretty, really lovely. It looks like we've got people gorge walking, is that right? Gorge walking?
Oh, that looks absolutely crazy.
I would love it. Let's do it. Let's go gorge walking. Tammy hates cold water. Diego making friends. God, there is so much climbing. Holy moly, that is deep.
I think it was up and down like that, to be honest.
No, I don't remember it like that.
No, I don't either.
What have you got though in your feet?
I think I got a blister.
Oh, so
It's because I wore fluffy socks.
who chose the right
And then-
footwear?
We went. Yours are soaking wet.
To be fair, mine are soaking wet, but they will dry quicker than your blister will go away. Finally on the way back. Yes.
We must have gone down there.
Ooh, no camping, and we saw campers. Tut tut tut. Okay, so what did we learn?
Don't bring dogs on a Saturday when it's super busy.
Yeah, don't.
Anxiety through the roof.
Yeah, people equals anxiety.
Yeah. Maybe don't bring dogs at all.
Yeah, to be fair, it's a bit treacherous, I
Yeah.
think. So if you've got an adventure dog, bring your adventure dog. But if you got an old dog like Diego or a clumsy dog like Milo, maybe not.
No. Yeah.
I also think that I am going to invest in a pair of hiking boots because these were good but they weren't very grippy, so I feel like you need lots of grip. It's amazing I don't have some already, to be honest. Amy says don't wear wellies with fluffy socks. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
The dogs are still going for it, man. We made it. We're back at the van. Tammy's thirsty. The dogs have had their drink. What did you think about that though?
Beautiful. Hard work though.
Definitely. Not for the faint-hearted.
Right, go.
What did we say? I forgot now. What did we say when we weren't on camera?
We don't remember it being
Oh yeah, so, right. So
that.
you've been there for the Duke of Edinburgh.
Mhm.
I went there just after I had a big back injury where I fractured 3 vertebrae. I say just after, it was probably like 2 months, 3 months after.
Still.
And it definitely wasn't that hard.
No.
So I think the way we went was the hard, treacherous way. And the normal way, if you just stick to the path, you maybe see like 1 or 2 waterfalls, but you have to go up and down like the really treacherous stairs to
be able to get down to the waterfall in there.
Yeah, to get down.
And then you have to come back up to get to a different one.
Yeah, I think I saw like 2 when I went before.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen them all before. Well, no, we have. I mean,
Yeah. Now we've seen them all.
so we got 1 pooped doggo, another pooped doggo, pooped human,
And a pooped human.
we're all pooped.